Hi guys, I am Dionne with Short and Sweet Languages. I am a language teacher and I help you to start speaking conversational Spanish right away. So today I am teaching you the phrase I miss you in Spanish. So I have taught this phrase before here, but it was years ago and it is time to update that video. So I miss you in Spanish is te extraño. Te extraño. Now notice that the first word ends in e, and the second word begins with an e, right? With the e, they sound like e. So you run those together, just like we do in English, and they flow together. So what you want to say is te extraño, like as if it was one word. Te extraño, and of course with sentiment. Te extraño, te extraño, or instead of, you know how in English you would say, oh, I miss you. So in Spanish, I is a common expression. Ay, te extraño. Ay, te extraño. So you want to add a little I at the beginning. That would be like, oh, I miss you, right? Ay, te extraño. Te extraño. So practice that a few times. Te extraño. Te extraño. Okay, now let's say it. Ay, te extraño. Ay, te extraño. Got it? All right, keep practicing and I'll see you here for the next phrase. Now, before you leave, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click on the little bell so you can learn more Spanish phrases from me. And also, I have a gift for you if you would like to start learning about 20 phrases that will get you to have your first conversation in Spanish. I can give that to you. So just click on the link. It's shortandsweetlanguages.com, but it's at the end of the video. Just click on there and download your conversation in Spanish. All right. Well, have a great week and I will see you back here for another Spanish phrase. Bye. Nos vemos.